Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And a lot of you are seeing a lot of red out there. Well, we got the Debbie Downer Red Bear out here, so he's out of there. So I know a lot of you are not very happy right now. You're seeing that the markets are going down, down, down. And that's unfortunate. We're seeing Bitcoin right now is at $43,293 in the house, and that's down about 4.25%. We're seeing Ethereum is also down right now, almost 4.57%. We're seeing a lot of altcoins are bleeding out right now, and a lot of you are probably concerned, like, what's going on? Why is this happening? Well, I'm going to tell you in this video why this is happening. But there's a lot of goodness out there. There's a lot of good news out there, and don't fall for the fear. Don't fall for the FUD, guys. There's a lot of goodness out there that we're going to talk about. We got Dogecoin news. Almost $250 million worth of Bitcoin has been bought up in the last 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't think there's anything to worry about. And an interesting fact that often happens, if you go back to June 21st last year, when we had the Bitcoin conference back then, you also saw that there was a huge dumpity dump in all of the crypto markets. And quite frankly, it's the whales playing whalish games with you because they want you to panic sell. They want you to unload your crypto, and they're just trying to psych you guys out. That's what's going on, guys. It's market manipulation. We're talking like, a whole ton of leveraged longs have got wiped out since Bitcoin has done its whole correction. So, from that perspective, I'm not too worried in the house. We had the FOMC meeting results, and that was a no-brainer out there. That was basically what we had expected from the Fed. So that was a nothing burger. But we did see that the broader market, the traders in Wall Street, they're all nervous and jittery, and that is also why we saw the broader markets down. We saw a crypto tank. So right now at time of recording, we're seeing that the pre-markets they're okay. I mean, they're down very slightly. I believe that this is going to flip green, and we're going to have a green day out there. And if we take a look at Bitcoin right now on the daily, we can see that Bitcoin right now is trading at 43,246. We are well below our $45,000 level, but we are still being supported. Around about $42,000. We have a good support level about this area, 42,200. So we've still got a lot of support there. This has become resistance again. But once again, this is just the whales manipulating the market. We're seeing a whole ton of leveraged longs out there. So you can see that, from on-chain college, you're seeing that $95 million in Bitcoin long liquidations over the last 24 hours. So, this whole, downward wick that has been pushing the Bitcoin price down is all done by the market makers to eliminate a lot of the long positions. So you can see right now, still, there's a lot of long positions out there. We're seeing almost $358 million worth of leverage traders have been wrecked, and that's all 124. Can you guys just zoom in for a second? Zoom right in. 124,000 traders got wrecked, guys. And a lot of people are still leverage trading the Doge, guys. And I keep telling you, if the leverage traders stopped leverage trading and they bought on the spot, we wouldn't be in the situation where we are right now with the biddy. So the biddy is down. It's down conservatively. It's down. Almost like 5%. If we go from where we were yesterday to where we are right now and measure the top to the bottom, we can see that yesterday we had hit a high of 47, and from where we are right now, we are down like almost 8%. So in terms of crypto talk, this is not a crash. This is a small correction, so I wouldn't worry about that too much in the house. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we're still seeing that this candle is a pretty kind of a dangerous candle because it's fallen below the 21-day EMA, and then we're at 43,239. So we do have some critical support at 42,200, and this is our green horizontal box. But I believe this is a whole fake out. This is a manipulation by the market makers. They want to eliminate a lot of the leverage positions, and they're just messing with you guys. You know, we got the biggest Bitcoin conference happening in Miami. They just want to mess with you. They did this last year, guys. So we got a lot of goodness out there. There's absolutely a lot of goodness out there. If we look at the top 10 mentioned cryptos right now, we can see the top 10 mentioned cryptos is XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Solana, LTC, Digibyte, Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is still, you know, you see a lot of sentiment. A lot of people are still talking about Doge, so that's pretty good. If you look at the rainbow chart, it's pretty much unchanged from where it was yesterday. Crypto is still cheap, guys. Absolutely buy the fear, guys. Buy the fear. We're seeing Bitcoin is below the 200-day EMA. This is a huge opportunity to be picking up some Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin today. And you know, I've been looking at the conference notes today, and a lot of people are anticipating by 2024, 2025, we could be seeing $500,000 Bitcoin. And this is like Michael Saylor, Novogratz in the house. You know, all these Bitcoin maxis at the conference are saying exactly the same thing, guys. And you know, they're looking at it from, you know, different perspectives, and they're using different models, you know, stock to flow model, you know, all of these kind of different models. But the one undeniable truth out there is that you know, Bitcoin is going to be worth at least over $500,000 by 2024, 2025. So that's great news. So there is a lot of goodness out there. There's more goodness out there, you know, despite Bitcoin going down, despite Dogecoin going down, despite, you know, the altcoins just getting decimated out there on a shorter time frame. We are still seeing tons of Bitcoin, $39 million worth of Bitcoin flowing off exchanges. This is good, guys. This is good. We're also seeing Ethereum, $108 million worth of Ethereum flowing off exchanges. This is also good. Remember, we got the Ethereum merge coming. We got Ethereum 2.0 coming soon. And, you know, Ethereum price is going to blast off, guys. Absolutely blast off when we change from proof of work to proof of stake. So get ready for that. Buckle up. And you know, also, too, we're seeing that about $72 million worth of Tether have also left exchange. So there has been some profit taking, and that's evident by the amount of Tether that's been taken off exchanges. So for the price of Dogecoin right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 14.12. And you know, if you think about it, you know, now is today, it's the 7th of April, and you know, we can see that, you know, on the 2nd of April, you know, the Doja Wojer was at 13. If we go back to the 24th of March, Doja Wojer was at 12. So we are still doing better than we are a week ago from price perspective for Doji Woji. So, you know, yeah, it's going down. Why is Dogecoin going down? Dogecoin is going down because Bitcoin is going down. That's it. That is it, guys. There's no fundamental negative Nancy reason why it is going down. So let's take a look at the informatics for the Doja Wojer, guys. Let's get it right now. Let me just give that a minty refresh and give you all the updated stuff here. So we're still seeing right now that 57% of Dogecoin holders are in profit. So just think about that for a second. Sit back, think about it for a second, and even the alien wants you to think about it. And what I is saying is that 57% of all Dogecoin holders are still in the money, guys. So if you're one of the 35% that are out of money, well, you know, my advice to you is do absolutely nothing, diamond-handed, and you know, sure and steady wins the race, guys. And that is what you've got to do. And remember, if your crypto is currently at a loss, never ever sell at a loss, guys. I mean, you know, it's just a waiting game. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. So, you know, this is from BTC Fuel, and he's saying, look, the altcoins are in a bullish descending, broadening wedge. So, and we'll break out soon. And we're seeing time and time again, when we see this pattern, you know, this descending, broadening wedge, we often see a huge breakout to the upside. And you know, BTC Fuel, he's not some lightweight TA analyst, and he is saying that we're going to be seeing a breakout to the upside. And I believe it. What we're seeing right now is a ton of FUD, absolutely ton of FUD. You know, 95 million Bitcoin long liquidations. We talked about that already. And you know, what is really funny about what's going on right now, normally you would expect to see some short positions. So right now you can see on the hourly time frame, shorts. So people are betting against the bidding, but still, it's not enough momentum in terms of the short position to create a short squeeze to, you know, elevate the Bitcoin price. So until we start to see that, you know, on the 12-hour time frame, you know, more shorts building up, we're still going to get the market makers going to be driving the Bitcoin price down, down, and liquidating, guys. So also, this is breaking news. BitPay has integrated the Bitcoin Lightning Network for all of its merchants with immediate effect. So that is cool. So if you're using BitPay and you're using Bitcoin as your transaction medium on Lightning, It's going to be extremely fast, guys. It's going to be fast. So there's also some more goodness out there. We can see the MicroStrategy adds another 4,197 BTC to its balance sheet. So, now they own 129,000 Bitcoin, guys. And so, MicroStrategy, they're still picking up the biddy like crazy, guys. So that is not too bad. And they bought at 45,714 was their average price. So this recent purchase, they're underwater right now. So, but the average price of Bitcoin right now is 30,700. So, they're still dollar cost averaging, and they're still picking up the biddy. So, this should tell you something. If we got Dogecoin picked up $230 million worth of Bitcoin, we've got, Michael Saylor picking up a ton of Bitcoin. This should tell you something. These guys are not going to be buying Bitcoin if they think it's going to go south and it's going to go down to nothing, guys. So, guys, wake up, smell the coffee, and stop being vitriolic weak Nancy's out there. Get a life, guys, and be super positive out there. We're seeing Ethereum right now is tanking. It's at 3,173 OMG. But I am not worried. The OG is absolutely not worried out there, because I've seen this time and time again. And, like I said, in June last year, when we had the BD conference, we saw Bitcoin tank. And then there was a huge reversal, huge recovery. We're going to see the same thing. This is the last big fake out, the last big shakeout to, get the retail traders out there, the retail weak Nancy's to, drop the coins, drop the low, blow the low early, and don't panic in the house, guys. So we're seeing right now that Luna the tuna is also down. It's at 107 right now, and it's come off its all-time high of about 119. So it is what it is. Don't panic. There's a good opportunity to be buying the dips. We're seeing Phantom right now is at $1.30. His blown down below my $1.35 resistance level, support level. Now has it become resistance. So our next stop for Phantom could be as low as $1, guys. So get in line and don't panic in the house, guys. Absolutely don't panic in the house. And we're going to see a huge reversal, because, if we look at these layer ones like Solana, Phantom, Avalanche, Dot, these are huge projects that are not going to just fizzle out and die. They are definitely going to be going up, and then we're going to see a reversal pump to the upside pretty soon. It's just a matter of time, time. So we're seeing right now Solana's at 113 bucks, guys. But keep in mind that, end of March, we were down at $99. We have been here before. Most recently, March 30, we were at 109. So we've seen these things before, and we're seeing that, from that perspective, we're seeing from many times that, Solana has gone down, it's retested the lows, and it's bounced back up, guys. So don't worry about it. This is just part and parcel of the cycle. This is what happens. We're seeing right now that ADA's at $1.05. We could be going down to $1, guys. So, once this Miami conference is over, we're going to see a bit of a reversal to the upside, guys. So don't worry about it. It's absolutely a no-brainer in the house. So I'm not panicking. I mean, the total market cap is still over $2 trillion. So that is positive in the house. Absolutely positive in the house. We're seeing that the volumes are very high right now. We're seeing a lot of people buying and selling. And we're seeing that the Bitcoin dollars is going up, and that's why we're seeing a lot of the coins are in the red, guys. A lot of carnage out there, and we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down almost 5%. We're seeing that the Ethereum is down. We're seeing Luna Tuna is down 8%. We're seeing Solana is getting decimated out there. It's carnage. There's blood on the streets. And what you want to be doing is buy the fear, ladies and gentlemen. Buy the fear. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Please boop the like, guys. Boop the like. Don't forget to give super chats in the house. And we're seeing that ADA is down 8% as well. We're seeing that the Dottie Watt is down. Everything is just down, guys. Even the Doja Woja is down 13% OMG. And let's take a look at the SHIB, if we can find it. There it is. So SHIB is down as well, 8%. So this is just part and parcel of a, fake out before the breakout. This is another pure manipulation by the whales to drive you out of your crypto holdings. And that's what they're doing, guys. Absolutely what they're doing. So, guys, go follow me on Twitter. Do it right now. Don't forget to check out the links down below. All the links are there. Buy the channel coffee. Become a Patreon member. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch. Get the backpack. Get the mug. Get the cappy cap. If you wear the cap, you get smarter, guys. Remember, all of the merchandise, all of the memberships, all of the super chats go to charity. So some love out there. So this is the OG in the house. Frankly, I'm saying don't panic, guys. If you guys are psyching yourself out, stop looking at your portfolio. Don't worry about it. It's absolutely a no-brainer. I love you guys. Be blessed. Be humble. Crypto is a jungle, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Be well, guys. Be well. Stop panicking, and hopefully this darn conference will end. And maybe we'll get some good news from Jack Mallers and Bitcoin and Apple Pay. That would be good news. But there's a lot of goodness out there. There's a lot of positive catalysts out there. There's absolutely a lot of goodness, a lot of good crypto positive news. But everybody's, they're all panicking about, crypto's gone down, crypto's gone down. The bull run is not over, guys and gals. We're still going to be uppity up, up. Summer is going to be huge in the house, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it from the OG. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I'll absolutely see you in the next one. Stay tuned for that. 8 p.m. Bangkok time. Mark your calendars, guys. Set your alarms for that. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo hoo hoo hoo.